Spiders from Space, written by Kristin Wilson and illustrated by Rezdewi Studios. There's a great big world up in the skies, far beyond what you see with your eyes. There are planets, moons, and stars. There's a lot, but deep in the sky there's a very special spot. You see this bright cloud that's been formed, filled with gases and space dust. It's where stars are born. The Tarantula Nebula can be hard to say. You'll get it in no time. Keep coming this way. Look closely and you'll see a magical place. Here's where you'll find the spiders from space. Spiders seem scary until you meet them. The little one is Jillian and the blue one is Glenn. Here in this cloud, all spiders are kind. If you disliked them before, you might change your mind. Millions of spiders, tiny, tall, and in between. Pink ones and blue ones, purple, yellow, and green. They spin webs in the clouds and make beautiful things. They float through space on their webbed swings. They dance and they laugh, and loudly they sing, making music using webs as violin strings. Quickly they ran, they scurried to hide. They are destroying our nebula, one spider cried. The meteor stormed in breaking all of the swings. They even crushed the violin strings. The spiders stayed hidden while the meteors crashed, and only crawled out when the shower had passed. Broken webs and loose strings were all that stood. Everything in the nebula was gone for good. The spiders were scared and sad, but just then, "We can build a new home that's even better," said Glenn. So the spiders started building their web back again, spinning and working to create what had been. When they were almost done building, Glenn knew what to do. He asked all the spiders, "What can we create that is new?" "I like to jump. I'll make a trampoline," said one. And Jillian built new swings that were even more fun. Sometimes these beautiful webs that we've sewn get ripped and broken through no fault of our own. But when we all work together, we can build something that's even better. Now you know there are spiders from space, and they come from a very magical place.